In this video, we will be showing you how to get a scatter plot, residual plot, and what the R-square means in context. So what you first want to do is hit stat, then enter, and then fill in all your data for what you're doing. We are doing the wage gap to what year it was in. And now that we have all that data, you hit graph, and then you'll see you have all your data points. And what you want to do next is hit stat again, and then move over to calc. And then once you're there, you want to find the most strongest one, which can be seen through the R squared. The closer it is to 1, the stronger it is. So that one's not very strong. So let's see, quadratic. That one is stronger, but it can get stronger. And cubic seems to be the strongest out of all of them, so we're going to use that. So you go to calc, hit cubic, then vars, then go to y vars, then enter, and then you hit y1. And then that will give you, that will put the equation of that line into the graph, and then you graph it to see your line. And yeah. Okay, now I'll show you how to get the upper and lower bounds to show how strong the graph really is. So you want to go to stat, then edit once again, move over to L3, and then you hit second, stat, and then you want to go down and hit residual, and then enter once again, and then you try finding the strongest residual out of all of these, and it seems that it would be -7, but it actually isn't. That would be -7 times 10 to the -4, so that's not the strongest, that's the weakest. So it seems the strongest would be 0.17. So now that we know that, we will go back and we will find the y-intercept, which is -27.34. And then we add 0.1017 to it. So that's -27.323. And then you hit second, enter again, so that you can also subtract it from it. So now that we know that, we can hit y equals, and then go down here and change this so that is 27.323, and then change this one to 357, and then we can graph that and see what we get. So we will see that we have the upper and lower bounds for our cubic regression line. And this equation is very strong.
So now we are going to find the residual plot. So first go to stat, then hit enter, and you see that in L3 there are the residuals, and with that you can hit second, then y equals, and hit enter once more, then move down to L2 and hit second, then 3, changing it to L3, then hit zoom 9. To show the residual plot, in looking at the graph, this shows that there is no pattern to the graph, making it even better.
To get r squared, what you want to do is you want to press stat, and then go to calc, and then go all the way down to cubic regression. And then you press enter and enter again, and you see r squared is right there. So r squared percent of the variability in the dependent variable can be explained by a cubic relationship with the independent variable. So in our situation, it would be 85.16% of the variability in the percentage of gender wage gap can be explained by a cubic relationship with the number of years. In conclusion, the relationship between the percentage of gender wage gap and the number of years can be explained through a cubic regression and has a moderately strong regression when graphed. And the equation that we came up with can accurately show the information that we have.